Karma Guy here. Check out this 2018 Hyundai Elantra Value Edition sedan with 31 service records and a clean GA emissions inspection. It's dealer certified pre-owned with a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty and a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price. Upgrade to a lifetime warranty at the time of sale. We offer peace of mind with a pre-purchase inspection. Note, any discounts void the CPO status and warranty, so don't miss this deal. Remember, the bitterness of poor quality lasts longer than a low price. Drive home a worry-free Elantra today.